Hello, and welcome to episode 1 and only of Cooking with Kanoboy. In this episode, I'll show you how to make garlic bread in, I don't know how long, but you'll see in the title, with only 3 ingredients. Now, the first ingredient you're going to want to get is bread. Any bread will do, but preferably a flat one, and any kind you like. And then you want to get a knife. Like a cutting knife, not like a butter knife. Preferably serrated edges, but any knife will do. Next up, depending on how many slices of garlic bread you want, cut off that many slices. For this video, I'm going to be making 2 slices of garlic bread, so I cut off 2 slices. Now, around this thickness is actually a little too much. I cut off too much, so try to have like about that, maybe. I don't know if you can see that with the camera as well, sorry. But like, not this thick normally. Next up, you're going to want to get a clove of garlic. Just 1 clove will actually be enough. And then it's really hard to peel garlic as is, but you can do this thing where you crush it with a knife, and when you hear that crack, I don't know if you guys could hear that, it'll become really easy to peel off. So I'm going to peel that now, and then I'll come back when it's done. Alright, so as you can see, now that the garlic is peeled, you're going to want to take the bread, and actually now that I think about it, you could probably do this part before you peel the garlic, but you're going to take this bread, and you're going to put it in a toaster oven, if you have one, but if you don't, just a regular toaster will work fine. For this video, I'm going to put it in the toaster oven. So you're going to put it in the toaster oven, or toaster, and then you're just going to cook it for as long as you want it. If you want, like, lightly toasted, you put it for lightly toasted. If you prefer more heavily toasted toast, you can make it more heavy. That's entirely up to you. So now we're going to wait for that to be ready, and then we're going to put the garlic on it. Alright, now that you've got the bread here, you're going to want to cut the garlic. This one kind of split a little, which is unfortunate. I'll just eat this. But you're going to want to cut the garlic in half. And oh my god, that is strong. I should not have eaten the whole thing of garlic. Oh my god. Oh. Wow. Oh my god. Excuse me for a second. Okay, I am back from my near-death experience, and we still have 2 things of garlic. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to take one of them, and you're going to take the bread. I hope you can see this. And you're basically going to grate it on. Like if you've ever grated cheese, it's like that. And just do it until you think there's enough garlic. You don't have to go overkill. You don't have to use the whole thing. You can maybe eat the rest of it like I did and go to the shadow realm. So, yeah, you're going to do that. And then you're going to take the other half, do it like that. Oh, it fell. Grind it down. And it might be a little difficult, but after a little while, you won't be meeting such resistance. Unfortunately, the bread I'm using right now has like little holes in it. So it'll be kind of harder to, the garlic could get stuck in it. But I pretty much got it all. And so once as much garlic as you want. If you don't want this much garlic, you can just rub it a little. If you want more garlic than me, you can like rub it down to the very core. But I think I've rubbed enough garlic. And now what you're going to do is you're going to get the third ingredient. Olive oil. I highly recommend using olive oil. Sure, by itself, this is technically garlic bread. But if you just drizzle a little olive oil over it, like so, and like so, it just makes it like 5 times better in my opinion. And then you're gonna let that that olive oil sit for about like 3 to 5 minutes, and then it's ready to eat. And there you go. Pretty quick to make garlic bread. Hope you enjoyed.